Hello, some people. Peace be upon you. In May, Facebook said it was going to redesign the website and bring dark mode to its website and mobile apps. While it has begun testing dark mode for its Android app in August, it has now started rolling out a beta version of its website with that option to some users too. So let's see the redesigned Facebook UI and let me know in comment is it good or not. The new version of Facebook kinda looks like Twitter. Multiple people are being invited to test the new interface. Fortunately, I am one of them. So this is the light version, and there is also a dark version available. Let's click next and let's choose a look. Let's select dark and click on get started. So this is the new dark mode for desktop version, and here it is the account notification panel. You can check your notification here, and this is the news feed, and there are 4 categories in your news feed. This is the friend request panel. Here you can select a friend request profile and it will show a summary of the profile in the right hand side of the screen. If we click the Facebook icon, it will take us to the news feed, and the third option here is Facebook Watch. Here you can see different popular Facebook videos. You can browse different famous Facebook videos. And the fourth option here is group activity. You can see activities of the group you have joined. You can check that out from here. So there are total 4 categories in your newsfeed. You can check your page here and different shortcuts in see more option. On the other hand, if you click your profile, you will get a option to turn off the dark mode, and also a option to switch to classic Facebook. If you click here, it will get you back in the old version of Facebook. So let's switch back to old Facebook design. So this is the old design, and if you want to get back to the new design again, click here and click see Facebook beta. It will take you back to the new design. So here it is. If you turn off the dark mode, it will go into light mode. You can create different ads. You can create group, page by clicking here. On the other hand, you can search anything here on the top. So if you click any comment, or if you hover over any Facebook ID, it will show a shortcut like that. On the other hand, if you want to chat with the people, you can just click on the right hand side of your screen here. You can type any name here, or you can just click any profile here to start chat. And if you want to chat with multiple people, you can click on the profile and it will still like this. You can see. So this is the main Facebook new UI, and this is the stories, you can see. And if you want to post an update, it's look like the old version. And that's all. So please, if you like this design, let me know in comment, or if you don't like this design, also comment below. So bye today, see you in the next video.